So I'm cleaning my restroom. Clean the tub. Well, I threw in some chemicals to disinfect it. Basically, put this much bleach right here and the rest water, so I can smell the bleach. Super. It's powerful, potent. And if you look closely in here, you see that black stuff around here? That was never there. It wasn't there. And what I did is I sprayed it, left it there. I went to work, and you see it's, wow, it's even right here. And at first I thought it was like I damaged it, like I messed up the chrome. But then as I got this, you'll see right here, look at that's germs. And they're like trying to get out from underneath the surface or wherever they hide. And they really kill them. So what you'll see here, how it's, you know, super black, and right now when I wipe it, it'll clean all that off. And that's just using bleach. Look at that. Literally. I'm not even lying. I don't know if it might have stained it. Hopefully not, but fuck if it did. That was here when I got here. It's basically a hole, and this stuff freaking reeks. Probably bad for my health too, but maybe. Anyways, shoot, but look at that. I don't know if this is gonna come off, but I'm gonna check by grabbing a paper towel and trying this section. So you see it all right there. Yeah, it did come off. And I didn't even do this. That's real germs, real like whatever that is. I cleaned it too. Like I cleaned it with I always clean it, and it always looks like this, shiny. But like I said, what I did is I sprayed it with the bleach, left it there, came back a few hours later after work, like 6-7 hours. So I don't know, maybe you guys should try it at home. And maybe it'll clean it this good. I heard this bleach stuff really works to kill bacteria, and it even shows it on the bottle. It says it kills 99.9 of the germs. So all that stuff in there. I had to do a little bit of scrubbing, and I'm spraying it over just to make my job a little bit easier. But like, I don't even feel like touching that. That looks disgusting. Like, I never even thought I would get this much trash. But anyway, I'm gonna pause this video, and I'm gonna show you guys like the before and after. And I might even throw this in iMovie on my iMac once I upload it to YouTube, and then I take it out of YouTube because I'm recording with the Samsung phone, so I can't add this video without converting it into something else, which is a hassle. I wish that the programmers would actually do that manually or by default by just clicking a few buttons and then they doing the converting for me or for their users. But that's not the case. But anyway, I'm gonna pause this and show you guys the end result. So there it is, people. My sink is nice and clean now. I cleaned all this area and the sink looks great. There's still some little spots. I think, like if I grab a little pad and I scrub it like a steel wool, I have one, these green pads, but I don't want to scratch the chrome, so I want to make sure that I'm using the right stuff. But yeah, so this is my restroom. Just cleaned it. Cleaned my toilet. Nice and clean. I got some rocks out here in Redding, California. So you can't go and buy this one here or this one. It's special. One of a kind. There's my soap, VL5. That's what I use. Use this to clean the toilet. Oh shit. And I got some other stuff going on, but I can't show you guys a lot of it yet. Yeah, I had this thing here in like there, but I had my like toothbrush and stuff on this. It was a kind of helpful, honestly, but then I got dirty and this thing got nasty, so I'd rather just throw it away and use something I could clean more easily and faster. So I put my things here, my razor, toothpaste, toothbrush. Obviously, if I had a roommate, someone that was sharing this restroom, I would not leave my toothbrush or my razor or none of this stuff here. Probably the toothpaste I'll leave here, and yeah, this stuff I would probably leave. But yep, there's my towel. Later on I want to get a nice towel with a drawing or something on it, like one of my cousins has that. It looks pretty nice. But yep, I keep my nail things up here, nail clippers, and I just clip my nails inside the restroom shower when I'm showering, because when the nail things bounce or they get clipped off, they just go in there, in the black hole, wherever it leads. And I notice if I do it like right here on the sink, and then it gets everywhere, and I have to locate them, and there's like a lot of them. So I would rather just do it in there. So yeah, that's where I keep that. I obviously have to find something or somewhere to put that. I guess for now I could put it in here. Up here I have extra toothpaste, I have a marker, toothbrush for cleaning. And this, you could tell they messed up. It's supposed to open the other way, like that. These hinges are supposed to be on that side, so you could open it this way and grab whatever you need from here, but they're kind of messed up. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. I think it really worked. Honestly, there's still some there. I don't really know exactly what it is or where it came from, but I had this thing clean like this, and I sprayed the bleach everywhere in my restroom, the toilet, the shower, all this, and it only took me a few minutes to clean it. But yeah, when I came back, I noticed all those little spots. So I'm assuming it was germs because you guys seen how those, like, look at that. That's all dirty stuff. It's not even poop. You know, I never throw my poop things in there. I always flush it. So don't worry about that. Um, so yeah, I heard that it's really effective. It does kill 99.9 of the germs. So it's gonna help you live longer, be healthier. If you have cancer or any other type of like disease that you're fighting, it's going to help you. It's going to help your health and your system, your immune system, because, and you know, your hands, because you're not picking up all these germs and touching your food with it, and you know, so it'll probably be good to do the handles, like the door handles. But I was gonna say, like, you're touching that, you're touching this. There's a lot of germs going around, so that's just one way to prevent that. And my friend uses this Windex for like the countertops and stuff like that. It's really good for glass, streak free. You know, it's really good for cleaning, but I would also suggest that if you like using that, that's fine. But I would also recommend that you would use the, I think they say 1 part bleach to like 2 or 3 parts of water, just to dilute it really good. So yeah, there's the results there. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like my room. Oh, this is my restroom, but I could go show you guys my room. Let's go check it out. Yes, it's dirty in here. My bed is undone. I rearranged everything. My bed is now over here. That way I could have more space to like work out or do whatever I need to do. There's a bunch of trash here. That's where all my dirty clothes goes. This is my suitcase, so whenever I travel, I got some pants here. I never really wear these. They're brand new. I have some that I use. Usually I wear these to church and stuff. This is my workstation, my iMac. I use this little thing to cover the camera because sometimes I hear people could hack you or whatever. I don't know, things like that. I have this skull. These things I found on the street. I don't know if you guys could see how it changes. But yeah, I have Nike up there. Create your website 123, my last name, my drawings and stuff, my samurai swords. Up here, right here, I have another drawer. I have this Pitbull thing, R&R Pitbull breeder that actually sent me this. It was pretty cool. He sent me a few of them. So I think there is another one here. I don't know what happened to it. Someone probably took it off, or I took it off. And up here I have Nike, the Nike box. I thought it was really cool, so I kept that over there. That was actually the bag, and I ripped it up and I made it into that shape. So it's not like a piece of cloth, but I thought it was cool. But yeah, anyway, I'm done recording, people. Talk to you guys later, and check out my little buddy. My little buddy's chilling. Chilling like a villain. Well, anyway, that's all I have. God bless everyone. God bless.